Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another weekly tip video. We've covered Houdah Spot in the past on Screencasts Online, and it's my go-to app if I want to do some serious searching on my Mac. But if you want to do a simple search and Spotlight just doesn't cut it, I'd recommend Tembo for macOS. Now, Tembo is made by Houdah Software, the same people that make Houdah Spot, and it's a quick and efficient way of searching for files on your Mac. It's available via the Houdah Software website, where you'll find a free trial to download, or via the Mac App Store. But just a word of warning, the Mac App Store version is compliant with the macOS application sandboxing rules, so some features are only available in the direct download version. I've already downloaded and installed the direct download version, so let's take a look. So I already have Tembo loaded and minimized at the minute. So if I just go across to Tembo, it's a very simple application. Basically, we have a search panel at the top, and then a results panel, which is the white rectangle in the middle, and then a sidebar with some filters. And the basic premise is that you would type in a simple search term. So let's just search for photos. Now, as you can see, there are quite a few results, but each is separated into a different group. So we've got documents, folders and disks, images, PDF documents, and movies. But the main search panel just gives you the top 10 of each group, and then you can drill down into the full results later on if the file you want doesn't appear within the top 10. We'll look at that shortly. Let me just show you this as well. If we go up to the search box, so currently it's searching any text, so that could be within the name of the file itself or within the text content of the file. So if you have PDFs that have been recognized and they contain text, it will search inside the document itself. So you can select any one of these. So if I just wanted display name, you'll see every file name here contains the word photos. And if I go to text content, so in this instance, we do have some files with photos in the name, but most of them have just got photos within the content of the file itself. You might notice down here as well, show all groups. There are excluded groups. A standard search doesn't search your library or system files, but if you want them to appear in the search, you can just click on here to show all groups. I won't do that. I'm just going to go back and say any text, and that gives us everything. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.